Hello folks, at the Samsung Developer Conference 2023 event, the Korean company officially presented the One UI 6.0 shell. This happened a day after the release of the final version of Android 14. Of course, One UI 6.0 is also built on Android 14. In general, One UI 6.0 is not something new. Samsung has already released several beta versions of the interface, and many participants in the beta testing program are using this firmware with all their might. But the formal premiere of One UI 6.0 took place right now. Samsung Galaxy users are most concerned about the question of when the final version of One UI 6.0 will be released, but the company hasn't given an answer to it. According to unofficial data, and logically, the final release will take place before the end of this month for models of the Galaxy S23 line. The slogan for One UI 6.0 is "Enabling your Galaxy your way," highlighting the personalized experience it aims to offer users. During the conference, Samsung highlighted several new features in One UI 6.0. One of the key additions is the revamped Quick Panel, which provides a more intuitive and user-friendly interface. Another notable feature is One UI Sans, a new exclusive typeface that improves readability, enhancing the overall visual experience. Additionally, the update includes new AI-powered photo editing tools, allowing users to enhance their photos with ease. One of the standout features announced at S23 is Samsung Studio. This new feature enables users to make multi-layer video edits using multiple layers to add text, stickers, and music exactly where they want in a video's timeline. This feature opens up new possibilities for creative video editing directly on Samsung devices. While the conference didn't reveal all the new features in One UI 6.0, thanks to the beta program for the Galaxy S23 series, we have a glimpse of some additional improvements. These include a new emoji design, picture and video previews in the share panel, more sharing options, multitasking improvements, a customizable lock screen clock, simplified app icon labels, enhanced weather information and illustrations, camera improvements, and updates to calendar, reminder, and Samsung Internet. Unfortunately, we still don't have an exact release date for the full rollout of One UI 6, but it appears to be closer than ever. We're expecting the flagship Samsung Galaxy S23 to be the first device to get a full update, with compatible models following suit. As soon as we know more about the full One UI 6 launch, we'll be sure to report on it, so stay tuned. Also, during the System LSI Tech Day 2023 event today, Samsung unveiled several new semiconductor technologies and chips, but the most important among them is the Exynos 2400. It is Samsung's next-generation flagship smartphone processor and succeeds the Exynos 2200, which was launched in 2022 and debuted inside the Galaxy S22. Samsung offered an early look at the Exynos 2400. The company is leaning heavily on AI and generative AI for all its new semiconductor technologies and products, and the Exynos 2400 isn't any different. The new chip will most likely be used in the Galaxy S24 that will launch early next year. Samsung claims the Exynos 2400 offers 70% faster CPU performance and an incredible 14.7x faster AI processing than the Exynos 2200. The new chip also features the X-Clips 940 GPU based on AMD's latest GPU architecture RDNA 3. Previously, X claimed this chip has 6 workgroup processor in the GPU. The South Korean firm claims the X-Clips 940 GPU offers improved gaming and ray tracing performance. It offers enhanced realism in games through ray tracing technologies, including global illumination, more accurate reflections, and shadow rendering. Regarding AI capabilities, Samsung introduced a new AI tool designed for the upcoming smartphones, probably the Galaxy S24 series, that can demonstrate text-to-image generative AI using the Exynos 2400 chipset. The company's next-generation 5G modem is compatible with narrowband Internet of Things, non-terrestrial networks technology, offering satellite communication to smartphones. Samsung showcased a video of this feature in collaboration with Skylo Technologies. This likely hints at two-way satellite communication on the Galaxy S24 series for emergency messaging. The company will reveal more details about the Exynos 2400 soon. Anyway guys, we'll keep you updated, so subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Good luck to all.